Ouch. Oh, did I break my rod? Ouch. Did not break my rod. I feel like I broke a rib though. Let's try that again. There we go. I'm feeling better already. Oh, jeez. The worst net job ever. Nice little rainbow. Just pretend like it's flat ground. There we go. Nice. Good God. Not shocking. Good colors on that guy. Pretty fish. There we go. It's a good fish. Oh yeah, very good fish. Oh yeah, solid fish. Got 3X on, so I feel pretty good about things. Oh shit, maybe 18? It's always good when you gotta chase them down the river. Oh yeah, this might be an 18-inch fish. Big cutthroat. Wow. Big cut. Jeez. I don't know if I could fit him in my net. Come on. Come on. Whoa. That is a very large cutthroat. Look at that guy. Wow. Big. You know you got a big fish when it punches through your net. Holy crap. My hook nicked his gill plate. I'm hoping he can make it. There we go. Nope, he ain't gonna make it. Okay. That's a good fish. That hurts.